Hey love bug, so in this video I got my hands on the rice water and I'm actually so happy, so blessed, because this was actually sent to me. Okay, so I'm excited. So while this was sent to me, I am giving my honest review. I have plenty of videos of me using the Mayo like any collection. Y'all know my favorite one is the honey and pomegranate. Okay, like keep that on rotation all the time. But I am trying this new collection. I don't even want to talk a lot. We just gonna jump right into it. Bye guys. Watch to the end to see how I feel about it. Like, these are the results, you know? And I just need you guys to subscribe if you're not. Leave a comment and like this video. And let me know, did you get... I think she still has the $5 sale going on. Like, were you a part of that? Like, did you get that blessing? Did you get it? So let's get into it. Bye guys. So I shampooed my hair off camera. I didn't want to have to deal with the haggle of setting up camera in the shower. But I used any moisturizing shampoo. I used the pomegranate and honey, but you just want to use anything that's moisturizing. Here are some of the benefits of the rice water. So when I put the clay mask on my hair, you can definitely feel it working. And I'm not just saying that, but you can definitely feel it. Like, my hands ran through my hair. It just made a difference. You can definitely tell. I will say, when you're putting this product in your hair, don't be distracted. Like, really focus on like how it's making your hair feel, and you can really see like the difference. So I sat underneath my steamer for 12 minutes with just the clay mask, and then I came back and I put the split end treatment in my hair with clay mask still in there, and then I sat underneath the steamer for 20 minutes with both of those products in, and you can really tell like the difference in my hair. Like, it's defined, it's smoother, like it just feels so good. I was happy, y'all. I was happy. So then I go in with a hair mask, because she did say that this is just a clay mask. It's not like a mask or a deep conditioning. So I did go in with the Rosemary Mint Scalp Collection hair mask, and I sit underneath the steamer again with that on for 20 minutes. Y'all, this was a deep clean. And so I am going in styling my hair now. I use the leave-in conditioner, pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. Prayer hands, y'all. She prays, okay? She be praying. Prayer hands works. But my hair was just so, it felt so good. Like, at this point, my hair normally, like when I'm putting in my leave-in, it's normally not easy to run through if I didn't detangle. I haven't even detangled at this point, and my hair was easy to run my hands through. So I am styling. I am doing flat twist, and then towards the end I am doing 3-strand twist. I have a video on how to do 3-strand twist. If you are interested in how to do that, I will link it. So I've seen the rice water hype for a minute, but I rather buy than DIY. And then a lot of people were saying that it smelled horrible. Yo, this, like, I really feel like the Mayo has a staple on like the smells of her products, because this did not stink. It wasn't as strong as the pomegranate and honey, but how everybody else was saying the rice water smell, this did not smell. It was like a faint rose. I don't even know how to explain it, but it smelled so good. And so I am going in with the hair milk. This hair milk, y'all, like, all of the products, you can really tell that it has benefits and that it is working. Like, my hair just felt so much better. It was like smooth, easy to get through. Like around my, normally when I'm through like twisting my hair, it is like a struggle to get through the twist. But no, my hands just glide. And this is the Shine Mist. Yeah, I know I do not play. I do not touch my hands when I'm taking my hair down without oil. And this is the part where I just use the hair milk. I didn't use any of the clustered, and the hair milk gave me definition just as well as like the clustered as well. So either or works. I am fluffing, fluffing. Y'all, I am hyped. Like my hair, it turned out good. Like hype me up, hype me up. My hair turned out good. Stiff wear, okay? Stiff wear, sis. Yes, shake them dreads. Bye guys, hope you enjoy. Love you.